So this case here, this is same degree of 1. You can actually do a long division if you want to just find the horizontal asymptote. But yeah, it is quite fast here. You don't need to really do a long division. You can just take the coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x. Okay? Yes, doesn't make sense. So you don't need to use GC. You can't actually use GC to find the asymptote. Oh, part 2, huh? Oh, yes, you can. They never ask for exact, right? Yeah, they never ask for, yeah. Actually, this question here, they never ask for exact. You don't really need to solve it. But if they ask for exact, you just do what we usually do lah. So the horizontal asymptote here is just y equals to 1 over 1. Now this only can work when it's linear, quadratic. So if not, you just do a long division. So vertical asymptote will be 1 minus x equals to 0. So this will be x equals to 1. Pretty okay. Now, so what I suggest is bring out a calculator. Now this is some of the tricks you can do if you just put let me just put the math. Okay, math. Then you just put x plus 1 minus x, right? Yeah, then for the one below, same thing. What you do is you just put x plus 1 minus x. Okay. Now, why you do that? Because you want this to be dotted. I think the original curve, you just put it dotted. This is one of the trick you can use. Yeah, you can just put it dotted so that when you decide which equation is which, right? The one being flipped up, you see this original curve here, you trace it out, right? This will take the original equation. The other one will take the negative equation. Okay, anything that is being flipped up is a negative one. Okay, I repeat. This is one of the neat tricks you can use to decide which equation is which. So what you do is, if you want it to be the dotted, go all the way, just scroll all the way to the left here, then press enter, and then just select this, the dotted line. Okay, then press OK. Yeah, then you guys, this is one advantage you can have using a GC. What we're gonna do is I just plot the graph lor. Okay, so you know that okay, and I will usually say just sketch the asymptote. Don't assume that your asymptote equation is correct. So I'm gonna use my favorite color, light blue, dotted line here. Okay, and 1. Okay, this is 1. So just put that 1 there. There you go. Then this is the vertical asymptote here. So as much as you can, try and draw all the important points of the curve using your GC. Then it helps you. Once done really, what you're going to do is you just label everything down nicely. They never say label stuff, but as usual, we usually just label. Because you can imagine the whole cohort label, but you don't label, it's going to make you look quite bad. So try and label this part here. It helps also. Then this will be x equals to 1. Just quickly do it. Then this is where I go. But of course, if you don't label it, it's fine as well. Okay, because they never say state the asymptotes and so on. Now, once this is done, okay, this is what? This is 0, 1. Then, yeah. You're told to sketch this graph, x plus 2. So this one shouldn't be too difficult. This is just, okay, this is what I do. You see this gradient here is 1, 1 because this is 1, 1. So you just move up the gradient to 2, x plus 2. So I can just quickly write this down as 2 here. Roughly here. 0, 2. Then this is 0, 1. Okay, negative 2, 0. Am I right? Oh, stating the equation of asymptote. So you need to write down the equation of asymptotes. That's about it. So this is the graph that you should submit. And this is the one.